Bem-vindos, food enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to explore hidden gems of Portuguese cuisine as we dive deep into the world of Salada de Polvo, or Octopus Salad. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this beloved Portuguese dish, brimming with flavor and tradition. If you're ready for an exploration of culinary wonders, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious discoveries. Salada de Polvo is a delightful Portuguese seafood dish that showcases octopus as the star ingredient, served in a colorful and appetizing salad. It is deeply embedded in Portuguese culinary heritage, reflecting the country's love for seafood and fresh, bold flavors. Portugal's vast coastline plays a significant role in shaping its cuisine, and Salada de Polvo is a delicious testament to this influence. It is a symphony of flavors, combining tender octopus with aromatic herbs, olive oil, and zesty citrus. Fresh, locally sourced ingredients are the heart and soul of Portuguese cooking, and Salada de Polvo is no exception. While the core of the recipe remains the same, Salada de Polvo enjoys regional variations, with unique twists in different parts of Portugal. This dish beautifully aligns with the Mediterranean diet, known for its health benefits and delicious, balanced ingredients. Salada de Polvo is a classic example of ocean-to-table dining, emphasizing the use of the freshest seafood. Portuguese olive oil, with its unique flavor profile, is a key component in Salada de Polvo, adding richness and depth to the dish. Families and friends often come together at traditional gatherings to enjoy Salada de Polvo and celebrate life. The simplicity of Salada de Polvo is one of its charms, offering a satisfying and wholesome seafood experience. Cilantro and onions are essential flavor components, lending Salada de Polvo its signature taste. Salada de Polvo often holds a special place in family traditions, passed down through generations. Portugal's olive groves play a vital role in providing the olive oil that enriches Salada de Polvo. The art of slicing octopus for Salada de Polvo requires precision and skill to achieve the perfect texture. Portuguese seasonings like piri-piri and paprika add a delightful kick to the dish. Many seaside restaurants in Portugal offer Salada de Polvo as a highlight on their menus, complete with stunning ocean views. Octopus, the star of Salada de Polvo, is celebrated in Portuguese cuisine for its versatility, featured in a range of delightful dishes. Portuguese gastronomy festivals are a window into the heart of the salad and its place in the nation's culinary traditions. Salada de Polvo epitomizes the Mediterranean way of life, emphasizing fresh ingredients, communal meals, and enjoyment of food. Portuguese cuisine often incorporates cured octopus in this salad, infusing the dish with unique flavors. Portuguese chefs take immense pride in their culinary craftsmanship, ensuring Salada de Polvo is a masterpiece of flavors. Portuguese seafood seasonings like garlic, lemon, and bay leaves play a role in elevating the flavors of Salada de Polvo. Portuguese fish markets are a vibrant hub for sourcing fresh seafood, including the octopus that stars in Salada de Polvo. Portuguese saffron, known for its aroma and color, adds a touch of elegance to Salada de Polvo. Salada de Polvo is a beloved choice for family gatherings, where generations come together to enjoy a delicious meal. Portugal's cultural diversity is reflected in its cuisine, with Salada de Polvo being a symbol of unity through food. Portuguese herbs like coriander and parsley are used liberally to add freshness and fragrance to Salada de Polvo. Portuguese culinary tourism offers visitors the chance to learn the art of making Salada de Polvo and other traditional dishes. Portuguese artisanal olive oil, a treasured ingredient, is often drizzled over Salada de Polvo for a luscious finish. Octopus is relatively low in calories, making it a good choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight while still getting essential nutrients. Octopus is naturally low in saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy protein option that can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. That's the unknown facts about Salada de Polvo, the delectable Portuguese octopus salad. We hope you've enjoyed this culinary journey. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll uncover even more delightful details about this iconic dish.